Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. All right, we use some of. Show me, Austin, what we use. This silicone here to pack into this hole in this rotor, and then we had to let it sit for several days, so it could stiffen. Because what the problem was that there was a hole there. This shaft had eaten away this part of this bottom rotor. So there was a hole here all the way around. There's a hole right in there. And as a result of the hole being there, this rotor was moving. You could actually take your hand and move it back and forth, back and forth. You could rock the rotor. And as a result of that, it would shake the entire cabinet when you would put it on fast. Austin, go ahead and plug up the fast motor now, and let's see what happens. And so now let's look at the silicone there. See? Now before, that silicone bottle would have fallen over because of the violent shaking of this Leslie cabinet. Now the cabinet, or the rotor inside of the cabinet, is moving in a stable manner. The rotor has been stabilized. It's turning, but it's not rocking back and forth as it was before. As you can see, the bottle there is relatively stable, and the cabinet is stable. Put my hand on the cabinet now. That thing was rocking like this before. So that's turning as it should. So we've fixed that problem. And I'm believing, as I said in a previous video, that was why the person sold this Leslie, most likely, because that thing was rocking and they didn't know what to do to stop it from rocking. But little Austin and I determined that if we use some of that silicone right there, we could put it in there, in that space, and let it set for several days, as we did. Hey, we resolved that issue, and so praise the Lord, the issue has been resolved. Okay, little, you can go ahead now and unplug that and put your bass speaker back on, and then we'll try this again after you put your speaker back on. Okay, until then, this is Dr. Kemp along with little Austin here in the shop, getting some work done tonight. Till the next video.